Hey, my name is Tyler Sisk. I'm the co-founder and CTO here at SlateSafety, and today I'm going to show our Starter Kit V2. And you'll get this kit if you sign up for a free trial with us, and if that's you, we're excited to get started with you today. On the far left side of the kit is 5 Band V2 devices. This is our main hardware product. It's what collects all the biometrics that are tracked and displayed on our software. They're all located in a multi-charger V2. Each Band V2 comes with a strap that's adjustable, and we also provide additional straps here that can be used, and we have large straps as well if that is needed for the pilot. The multi-charger V2 allows you to charge 5 devices at one time, and you plug it in with the power adapter that's located here at the top left. Here's the Gateway V2. This provides another communication method to the bands, and you would attach this to the internet with an Ethernet cable, or you can use Wi-Fi to connect it, and the power supply is underneath the gateway here. Here are our Beacon V2s. These collect temperature and humidity data, and they also provide a real-time location to people that are wearing the band. On the far right side, we have individual chargers. So if you don't want to use the multi-charger, or you want to charge the devices in different locations, you can use one of these chargers to do that. And over here we have additional documentation. We have the Band V2 and Multi-Charger V2 user manuals, which just contain a lot more information than I'm going into in this video. And we have a starter kit pamphlet, which also gives you an overview of everything that comes in this kit. Underneath the user manuals will include some mounting hardware. This can be used to mount the multi-charger onto the wall to test that configuration. And we also provide some examples of cables to link the multi-chargers together, just to show what that would be like if you want to connect a lot of multi-chargers in one location. Thanks for joining me on this overview of our Starter Kit V2. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to our support team or visit our website online at SlateSafety.com.